Want to write code faster with the help of AI? Claude AI can generate code, explain programming concepts, debug errors, review projects, and help you build applications in many popular programming languages. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for coding in 2026. So let's get started. First, sign into your Claude AI account and open a new chat. This gives you a clean workspace for your coding questions and projects. Keeping separate chats for different programming projects can help you stay organized. Next, explain exactly what you're trying to build. Include the programming language, framework, platform, and any specific requirements you have. Detailed prompts usually lead to more accurate code suggestions. Claude will generate code or explain the solution based on your request. Read through the response carefully to understand how the code works before using it. Understanding the code is just as important as generating it. If you're experiencing an error, paste your existing code into the conversation and ask Claude to identify the problem or suggest improvements. You can also request cleaner, faster, or more readable code. Take a moment to test each suggested change in your development environment. Copy the generated code into your code editor and run your project. Verify that everything works as expected before moving on. It's always a good idea to test AI-generated code thoroughly before using it in production. Keep asking Claude for help with additional features, documentation, testing, optimization, refactoring, or explanations as your project grows. So you've successfully learned how to use Claude AI for coding, and that's how to use Claude AI for coding. Whether you're learning a new programming language, building websites, creating applications, fixing bugs, or improving existing code, Claude can become a valuable development assistant. The more clearly you describe your project and requirements, the better the coding assistance you'll receive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.